The desert winds sweep across the Judean hills. Beneath the blinding sun, a hidden cave guards a secret. For centuries, the world knew nothing of the Dead Sea Scrolls. Then, in 1947, a shepherd stumbled upon clay jars filled with ancient texts. The world changed overnight. Scholars, scientists, and dreamers all wondered, what stories do these scrolls tell? For decades, the scrolls have been a source of fascination. They whisper of lost prophets, forgotten rituals, and ancient wisdom. Yet, much of their content remained locked away. Many fragments were too damaged to read. Others were written in scripts no one could decipher. The mystery grew deeper with every attempt to solve it. The scrolls became a symbol of humanity's quest for knowledge. They promised answers to some of history's greatest questions. But they also raised new mysteries. Who wrote them? Why were they hidden? What secrets might they reveal about our shared past? In the 21st century, a new hope emerged. Artificial intelligence, powered by quantum computing, offered a way to unlock the scroll's deepest secrets. This is the story of how science and technology joined forces to reveal the lost voices of the past. The Dead Sea Scrolls are a collection of ancient manuscripts. They were discovered in caves near the Dead Sea in what is now the West Bank. The first scrolls were found by accident, but soon archaeologists uncovered more than 900 documents. These texts are over 2,000 years old. They date from the 3rd century BCE to the 1st century CE. The scrolls are written in Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek. They include biblical books, hymns, prayers, and legal texts. Some scrolls contain stories that never made it into the Bible. Others offer new versions of familiar tales. Together, they provide a window into the beliefs and lives of ancient Jewish communities. Historians believe the scrolls were created by a group called the Essenes. This mysterious sect lived in the desert seeking purity and spiritual truth. Their writings reveal a world in turmoil, a society grappling with faith, war, and hope. The scrolls capture the voices of people long gone, but their words still echo today. The importance of the Dead Sea Scrolls cannot be overstated. They are the oldest known copies of many biblical texts. They challenge our understanding of religion and history. They remind us that the past is alive, waiting to be rediscovered. Yet the scrolls did not give up their secrets easily. Many fragments were torn, burned, or faded beyond recognition. Some were written in secret codes or rare dialects. Others were so fragile that touching them risked destroying them forever. For decades, scholars worked by hand trying to piece together the puzzle. Traditional methods could only go so far. Infrared photography helped reveal faded ink. Computer algorithms tried to match fragments by shape and script. But the scrolls remained stubbornly silent. Some texts were simply too damaged. Others contained symbols no one could interpret. The mystery seemed unsolvable. The world's greatest minds gathered to crack the code. Linguists, historians, and scientists all tried their luck. Each breakthrough led to more questions. Why were some passages so different from known texts? What did the hidden symbols mean? The scrolls seemed to guard their secrets jealously. The challenge was immense. But as technology advanced, so did the hope of finally unlocking the scrolls. The stage was set for a new kind of science, a science that could see the invisible and think the unthinkable. Quantum artificial intelligence is not science fiction. It is real, and it is changing the way we understand the world. Unlike ordinary computers, quantum computers use the strange rules of quantum physics. They can process vast amounts of information at once. This makes them perfect for solving complex problems like decoding the Dead Sea Scrolls. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a machine's ability to learn and think. When combined with quantum computing, AI becomes even more powerful. Quantum AI can see patterns that ordinary computers miss. It can learn languages, recognize handwriting, and even predict missing words. It is like having a superhuman scholar at your fingertips. To understand quantum AI, imagine a chessboard. An ordinary computer checks each move one by one. A quantum computer checks all possible moves at the same time. Now add AI. It learns from every game, getting smarter each time. This is the power that scientists brought to the scrolls. With quantum AI, researchers could tackle problems once thought impossible. They could read faded ink, reconstruct missing pieces, and decode secret scripts for the first time. The scrolls began to speak clearly, their ancient voices echoing across millennia. The process began with high-resolution images. Every fragment, no matter how small, was scanned in detail. Quantum AI algorithms analyzed the shapes of the letters. They compared them to thousands of known scripts. Even faded or broken characters could be recognized. The AI learned the handwriting styles of ancient scribes. Next, the AI tackled the languages. Some scrolls were written in dialects long forgotten. The quantum AI compared these texts to other ancient writings. It identified patterns, reconstructed grammar, and guessed at missing words. The more it learned, the better it became at translation. But, the real breakthrough came with damaged fragments. Quantum AI could predict what was missing. It used context, words before and after, to fill in the gaps. It even suggested possible meanings for unknown symbols. Each suggestion was checked by human scholars, ensuring accuracy. Finally, the AI brought the pieces together. It matched fragments that had been separated for centuries. It reconstructed entire scrolls from tiny scraps. For the first time, texts that had been silent for 2,000 years could be read again. The result was a treasure trove of new information. The discoveries were nothing short of astounding. First, the AI identified a previously unknown language. This language, related to Aramaic, had only been hinted at in other texts. Now, whole passages could be read. Scholars believe this may have been a secret code used by the Essenes. Second, new stories emerged. Among the fragments, the AI found a tale of a prophet never mentioned in the Bible. This prophet spoke of peace and justice, challenging the rulers of his time. The story adds a new chapter to the history of ancient Israel. Third, the AI uncovered secret rituals. One scroll described a purification ceremony involving rare herbs and sacred chants. This ritual was unlike anything found in other Jewish texts. It suggests that the Essenes had unique spiritual practices hidden from the outside world. These findings changed everything. Lost languages, forgotten prophets, and secret rituals, all brought to light by quantum AI. The past, once silent, was now speaking with a new voice. The new translations forced historians to rethink old beliefs. The discovery of a lost language showed that ancient Judea was more diverse than once thought. Different groups spoke different tongues, each with its own stories and traditions. This challenges the idea of a single, unified culture. The story of the unknown prophet raised new questions. Who was he? Why was his story forgotten? Was he a rival to the famous prophets of the Bible? Scholars are now searching for clues in other ancient texts. The past is more complex and more fascinating than anyone imagined. The secret rituals revealed a hidden side of ancient religion. The Essenes were not just strict ascetics, they had their own ceremonies, beliefs, and ways of seeking the divine. This changes our understanding of how religion developed in the region. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle. The scrolls are not just relics, they are living documents. They show us that history is never finished. There is always more to learn, more to discover, and more to understand. The story of the Dead Sea Scrolls is not just about the past, it is about how science and history work together. Quantum AI brought new tools to an ancient mystery, but it was human curiosity that drove the search. Scientists and historians became partners in discovery. The process was not easy. There were doubts, setbacks, and debates. Some feared that machines would replace scholars, others worried about errors or misinterpretations, but as the results came in, excitement grew. The combination of AI and human expertise proved unstoppable. This dance between science and history is a model for the future. Technology can open doors, but it takes human insight to walk through them. The scrolls remind us that knowledge is a journey. Each discovery leads to new questions, new challenges, and new adventures. The success of the Quantum AI project has inspired other fields. Archaeologists, linguists, and historians are now using similar tools. The boundaries between science and the humanities are fading. Together, we are unlocking the secrets of the past. The translation of the Dead Sea Scrolls marks a new chapter in our understanding of the ancient world. For the first time, lost voices have been heard. Forgotten stories have been told, hidden rituals have been revealed. The past is no longer silent. But this is only the beginning. Quantum AI is still young. As technology advances, even more secrets will be uncovered. Other ancient texts, long thought unreadable, may soon be brought to light. The mysteries of history are waiting for those bold enough to seek them. The impact of these discoveries is profound. They change how we see ourselves, our history, and our place in the universe. The scrolls remind us that the past is alive, and that the future belongs to those who dare to explore it. As we look ahead, one thing is clear. The journey of discovery is far from over. With science and curiosity as our guides, we will continue to unlock the secrets of the universe, one ancient scroll at a time.